How to download Zoosk application on Android. If you want to get the popular online dating app Zoosk for your Android device, then first, make sure that a device is connected to a stable internet. Next, open up Play Store. In the search box, search for Zoosk by typing it in. And then, you'll be able to find the application that says Zoosk Dating App Meet Singles from Zoosk Inc. Tap the install button to begin the download process. Wait until the application gets installed on your Android. Once it's done, tap on the open button to launch open the app. Now, go ahead and create a new account for yourself or log into your existing account, and then you'll be able to use the platform for getting potential matches based on your preference and interaction and find a potential match for yourself. That is how you can easily download Zoosk online dating app for Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.